We want our guests to think about the food they had for the rest of the year. I think what VIP do differently, we cook from scratch. That means that everything is brought in as a whole ingredient and everything is done from chopping the onion right through to reducing a sauce. Nothing is bought in a packet. So we will design next year's menu and then we'll test it in chalets. And then over the summer, we design all the recipes and make sure that everything works really well for the guests that are coming in next year. We design the menus based on the ingredients that we can get in the Alps, and that's how we kind of design the whole menu for the week for the guests. So one of the things that the guests definitely don't see is that we run an extensive training course for all of our staff. So we run 10 days of training for each resort, and in that they get to see us deliver the dishes that we've designed. We then critique them and make improvements, and they do that for the whole training course. So when we teach them to cook, we might teach them to follow a recipe, but we also teach them to taste the food as they cook. And we teach them how to make a dressing and how it would be balanced with like oil, fat, salt, all of those things, and to make good food. So we're not just teaching them recipes, we're teaching them to cook. And that to me is really important because then they're delivering really well thought out food, but also they learn to cook. The hosts have that skill going forward. We have staff trainers that work for us for the whole season and consistently go into chalets to check that dishes are being delivered. If a host is struggling or wants to ask anything, we're available. When I see a dinner being served in a chalet, it makes me proud to see that they've delivered it exactly as it should be, but also maybe with a little bit of their personality on that plate. Because again, the hosts are what makes this experience really special for our guests. So to see that come through is really important.